I was looking for him outside and he was sleeping. Can you imagine? Here he is, our sleepyhead. He complained, he made noise, and then he fell asleep. He doesn't even hear me talking. Look at him stretching. And I was outside calling him. Bonya, Bonya, Bonya. I come into the bedroom and he is sleeping. Okay, guys. Good night, everyone. I won't disturb Bonya's sleep. Mama was working. Mama was canning green tomatoes. I just finished the work. I came in and the Tsar is sleeping here. Mama works and the Tsar is watching. He didn't wait for Mama. He decided to sleep alone. All right, guys. Good night, everyone. See you soon.